How to stop I'm not a robot CAPTCHA in Omegle. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to stop I'm not a robot CAPTCHA in Omegle. First of all, open your web browser. Now go to the Omegle website. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Now click on the settings option. Then go into privacy and security. Go to the cookies and site data section. Choose the allow cookies option first. Now go back and go into the third-party sign-in option. Now allow third-party sign-ins. Go back to the Omegle website. Click on the video option and tick the boxes. Now click on confirm and continue. Now click on allow. There is no more reCAPTCHA on your Omegle. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.